Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Physics is a lot of fun. We need to do a lot of experiments to understand it. Now today, I'm Nur Hafiz Rushaidi bin Muhammad Ruslan, and I'm gonna show you my experiment on pendulum oscillation. Check it out.
Inference: the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum depends on its length. Hypothesis: the longer the length of the simple pendulum, the longer its oscillation. Aim: to investigate the relationship between the length of a simple pendulum and the period of oscillation. Variable: manipulated variable, length of pendulum. Responding variable, period of oscillation of pendulum. Constant variable, mass of pendulum bob. Apparatus: retort stand, protractor, pendulum bob, stopwatch, meter ruler, and G-clamp. Materials: 100 cm thread and 2 small pieces of plywood.
Now, this is important. Since we're doing this at home, maybe it will be quite difficult for us to find some of the apparatus. So, do you know what I do? I change some of the apparatus with things that can be easily found in my home. You can do so too.
Homemade apparatus: plasticine, thread, ruler, protractor, hourglass, and finally a dumbbell.
Now that we have all the things that we need, what's more, let's see how to do the experiment.
First, tie the ball-shaped plasticine with a thread. This process is super easy. You just need to make a plasticine into a ball shape and tie it with a thread. So it's really easy, super easy. Yeah, you can see how I do it. I'm sure all of you can do it too because it's super easy. Okay, look at that. And then make the first knot. Make sure it's strong enough so that the pendulum bob wouldn't fall when it oscillates. Yeah, see, knot it tightly. We don't want it to fall. Remember that. Then make the second knot and ta-da! Second step, prepare the pendulum. This is where I will use my hourglass. It acts as some kind of holder for the pendulum, some kind of like. So first, put the end of the same thread which we used to tie the plasticine before. So pull it and take a ruler. Isn't it easy? Step 3. Measure the length of the pendulum. Now we will measure the length of the pendulum. So in this case, I will use a 20 centimeter pendulum. I repeat, a 20 centimeter pendulum. So look how I did it. Yeah, it's kind of tricky, but it's okay. People say practice makes perfect, right? So just do it in a calm way. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, next, after we had get the right measurement, now it's time for us to tie the thread. So you can tie it in any way that you want. There's no specific way. Yeah, and I also don't know how I tie it. So just do it as long as it's strong enough to support the pendulum bob from falling down when it oscillates later. So look, now it's strong enough.
Wow, I'm very excited. Do you know why? Our pendulum is almost ready. We just need to set it up and rock it.
Step 5. Place the pendulum on a high place. As you can see, I put it on a table.
Now we are almost ready. But I think I forgot something. What it is? Aha! We need to put something heavy on top of the hourglass to prevent it from falling down when the pendulum oscillates.
That's where the dumbbell come into use. Step 6. Place the pendulum bob at an angle less than 10 degrees. As you can see, I hold the protector to measure the degree. Now, release the pendulum bob and record the time taken. Okay, now let us start. Okay, in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Don't forget to record the time. Step 8. Repeat step 7 to prevent error. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, change the length of the pendulum and repeat the process with different length of pendulum. So now I'm using a 30 centimeter pendulum. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now it's time to see the results. As you can see, these are the data that I get from the experiments now. Step 12. Analysis of data. I'm so sorry that I have to put the graph in that way because it wouldn't fit, so please take a look. As the conclusion, the longer the length of the thread, the longer the period of oscillation.
The experiment is so cool, isn't it? What? Oh no! I'm so sorry to tell you that this is the end of my video. I hope you all enjoy it. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.